Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry. We have another oak on the mill today, a red oak. Or is this a black? This bark's kind of tough to tell on this one. I think this is a black oak. Let me look at that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a black. All right, 17 and a half, 8 feet long. Let's see if it's pretty symmetrical. It's got a little bump on it. Yes, very symmetrical. 17. So 84 board feet. We'll do a little bit better than that. We'll keep the flitches 1-inch boards to continue that order. All right, we can get some of that bark off too. You know, that bark holds a lot of dirt, so it's nice to get it off if you can. If it's loose like this, it starts shedding. You know, after about a year or so of being down or dead, oaks start shedding their bark pretty quickly. All right, there's no dirt on that side. That looks good, because that's not even gonna be in the cut. They'll roll off. So we have a stellite band on here. It's got 2 or 3 logs through it. I'm gonna cut this in a 1-inch board. I don't think I'm gonna do it in a big cant, because those will be really wide boards. Yeah, we'll see. You know, I'm just gonna play it by ear. It does have a little imperfection on this end, and I'll move one of the cameras so you can see that. And then I'll determine how I want to get my 1-inch boards off of this for the best result. You can see right here we have a little situation going on there, but we'll see what it is. He did say he wanted a mantle. There we go. That's going to be one of them. This is a big oak. Doesn't max out the mill, but it gets it there. I just noticed I didn't have my mics on to start the video. So hopefully you heard me. We're making 1-inch boards. That last one was really suspect, and this is the bottom half. So this isn't going to be a real good log. So we're going to get as many boards out of it as we can, and we'll go from there. Might turn it into a mantle as well, or firewood. Is this going to move? You know what? I'm just gonna leave that. I can't get it on there. Let's clean it. "19" on the small end. Ooh. 19" on the big end on that direction. Yeah, it's pretty symmetrical. That puts it right at 112 board feet. Let's take a look at this log. What a piece of junk. Now, granted, the other ones were real nice. This is more typical. So I'm going to work around this, but check this out. We got all this rot here. It curves in. We have a split. Big knot here. We have some good wood here. We'll see what this is all about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it up 90 degrees and start taking boards off, see what happens. I'm not going to take any more from this direction. Turning bad. I'm using too much water. That's why it's all sticking so bad. I just turned it down. I wasn't even paying attention.
This log is really suspect, so you'll see me turning it and going from different directions, try to get the best wood I can on it.
This is here. I'm going to cut here and turn this up. Hey guys, that'll do it. That's a perfect example of working around a log and working around the crap. Both those logs, you know, it was one tree. They were suspect, but we got some pretty good wood out of them. He'll be pleased. So that'll do it with that. We're going to go up maybe one more lift. I think that's what we call them, lifts or bunks. And then, I don't know, maybe we'll go to 1 inch. No, this is 1 inch. I don't think we're going to do any 3/4 for them. We'll probably go to 5/4, maybe 6/4. Maybe we'll go right up to 6/4. And 6/4, 8/4, maybe 10/4. We'll see. He's got those couple of beams still he needs to. But take care, guys. If you like the content, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to leave a comment. Become one of the cool dudes that always leave comments in here. I love interacting with these guys. And if you really enjoyed it, share it with a friend. Let's move this forward.